Namaste. Welcome to this global online Ramlila festival. It's the first of its kind in the world. It's going to bring together countries from around the world to perform Ramlila, this Ram Katha, as told in two styles. You will see the dramatic theatrical style or the Natya Dharmi style, and then you'll see the Lokadharmi style, Maidani, in the open air. The last one is a kind of very old style of performing that's still present in countries like Trinidad, Suriname and Fiji, and in many parts of North India. So this is the first of its kind in the world. And because of the COVID-19, many places will be unable to perform the Leelas they normally do. So Ayodhya Research Institute has decided to put together videos from the different parts of the world where they perform the Ram Leela and to showcase for you the different styles. The Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts will also be joining with the Ayodhya Research Institute in sharing their archives of different performances that they have recorded across India, Southeast Asia, and even Russia. So I invite you to enjoy this festival for nearly 30 days.
रामायण सतकोटि अपारा। रामायण कितने रूपों में कहाँ कैसे विस्तारित है, अयोध्या शोध संस्थान से शोध करते हुए जो निष्कर्ष मिल रहे हैं वो अत्यंत आश्चर्यजनक हैं। कलिंग युद्ध के बाद पहली बार भारतीय संस्कृति का माइग्रेशन दूसरे देशों में हुआ। अगर आप भारत के नक्शे को ध्यान से देखें तो जो पूर्वी तट है हमारा, उड़ीसा, तमिल और आंध्र प्रदेश, पश्चिम बंगाल, वहाँ से जो कला हमारी कलिंग युद्ध के बाद 200-300 ईस्वी पूर्व से जो विस्तार हुआ, तो साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में वो सारे कला रूप हमें मिलते हैं।
भारत के हर राज्य में, हर भाषा में रामलीला का आयोजन होता है और दुनिया के अंदर भी लगभग हर भाषा में, हर देश के अंदर रामलीला का मंचन किसी न किसी रूप में होता है।
राम सब जगह है, राम सबके। इसलिए राम भारत की अनेकता में एकता के सूत्र है। साथियों, दुनिया में कितने ही देश राम के नाम का वंदन करते हैं। वहां के नागरिक खुद को श्री राम से जुड़ा हुआ मानते हैं। विश्व की सर्वाधिक मुस्लिम जनसंख्या जिस देश में है वो है इंडोनेशिया। वहां हमारे देश की तरह कालीन रामायण, स्वर्णदीप रामायण, योगेश्वर रामायण जैसी कई अनूठी रामायण, राम आज भी वहां पूजनीय है। कंबोडिया में रमकेर रामायण है, लाओ में तालाब रामायण है, मलेशिया में हिकायत शेरी राम, तो थाईलैंड में रामाकेन है। आपको ईरान और चीन में भी राम के प्रसंग तथा राम कथाओं का विवरण
राम Recently, in our country and globally, the abduction of mainly women and young girls are becoming a norm. Also, we are living in a society where the same women who gave us life and nurtured us are being disrespected and mistreated by our very own husband, father, son, or brother. In Hinduism, women are referred to as the highest goddess. Our scriptures declare the feminine energy as the essence of the universe and the female aspect as the most empowering force. It is said that formless God from time to time assumes a human form as various roles for us to learn and follow. Tonight, our religious skit is portrayed from the Sri Ramcharitamanas or the Holy Ramayana. We will see Hanumanji, the humble devotee of Sri Ram, who was given the task of searching for Sita Mata, the consort of Sri Ram. Sita Mata was kidnapped by Ravan, the evil king of Lanka. Sri Ram instructed Hanumanji to go in a southerly direction in search of his wife.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhari Baranau Raghubar Bimal Jasu Jodayak Palchari Buddhihin Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavan Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harhu Kalesh Vikar
After his journey crossing the ocean, Hanuman assumed a very small form and arrived in Lanka. He then meets Lankini, who was the god at the gate entrance of Lanka.
Where are you going, you fool? Don't you know that any thief that enters this place becomes my food?
Tunkano
You don't know who I am? Mera naam Lankini hai. Please return to where you have come from, or else I will eat you.
Hanuman don't have time to answer any questions. Move away from here.
Oh, Hanuman, I remember when Brahma granted Ravan is born, he said to me, the day a monkey shall strike me a blow, knowing at the end of the demon race is near. Lanka is doomed. Lanka will soon be destroyed. But I must have done something good to have the sight of Sri Ram's messenger. I am truly blessed. You may enter Lanka.
Jai Shri Ram.
Atila Dhup Tareu Hanumana Baita Nagar Sumire Bhagwan.
Hanuman continued his search for Sita Mata. Not finding her in the palace, he then met Vibhishan, Ravan's younger brother.
खोजत सिय को कपि पहुँचे उस धाम शंख चक्र तुलसी जहाँ निश्चय उस घर राम।
जय जय राम 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 जय जय
Lanka is a place where demons live. How could a devotee live here? Who is chanting Sri Ram's name? Who is chanting my Lord's name? I will assume the form of a holy sage and test him.
जय जय राम 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 जय जय
Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram!
तुम कौन हो? मेरा नाम विभीषण है. I feel so happy on hearing the praises of Sri Ram sung in Lanka. तुम कौन हो?
मेरा नाम हनुमान है. I am the humble servant of Shri Ram.
Oh Hanuman, now that I've seen you, I'm relieved. I am happy. I feel as though I am looking at Sri Ram himself.
Hanuman realized that Vibhishan is a true devotee of the Lord and revealed his true form. Hanuman journeyed to Ashok Vatika, where Sita is imprisoned by Ravan. He assumed a very small form again and hiding himself in a tree observes what is taking place. Sita Mata is sitting under the tree in a distressed state, thinking of her Lord. Her dazed eyes kept staring at her feet, whilst her mind was absorbed on the thoughts of Sri Ram's lotus-like feet. Hanuman Hanuman felt miserable to see King Janak's daughter in great sadness. At that moment, Ravan arrived.
Leave Ram and become my beloved. Marry me and everything shall be yours. Just say yes and become mine.
Ravan, don't you dare make one step further, or else this blade of brass shall destroy you. My Lord is like the shining sun, and you are like a firefly. You have no idea of my Lord's might. O ten-headed demon, you carried me away when no one was at my side. Don't you feel ashamed of yourself?
Sita, you have insulted me. I will cut off your head.
Please don't do this, my lord. Killing a woman is a sin. Let her go, please. I beg of you, please let her go.
You torture her until she accepts me.
Yes.
Come on, let's go.
You foolish woman! Marry him! He is the king of Lanka. We will cut off your head! You foolish woman! Marry him and become his queen, and you shall get everything! Yes, Sita. Marry him, or else I will kill you! Your ram is a beggar, Sita. Why are you all troubling her? Leave her alone. It is very late. You all can go and sleep now. He who is my husband, whether he be wealthy or poor, I devote my life to him and will love him forever. Sita, don't worry, Betty. Everything will be okay. Mata, how much more must I endure, Mata? How much more? Betty, have patience. Last night, I had a dream where I saw Ravan was killed and the entire city of Lanka destroyed. It appeared as if Vibhishan was crowned king of Lanka. Just have patience and everything will be okay. It is very late. You go and sleep now. Concealing himself amongst the leaves of a tree, the moment felt like ages to Hanuman as he looked at Sita Mata's extremely depressed state due to the separation from her Lord.
Could this be a trick by Ravan? Who are you? Come before me. Show yourself.
जय श्री राम दूत हनुमान जननी में राम दूत हनुमान चरण कमल में जय श्री राम कर दो मां कल्याण मिला है अवसर आज महान जननी में राम दूत हनुमान माता मेरा नाम हनुमान है Shriram has set me. He said, on seeing this ring, will be convinced that I am his devotee.
Oh Hanuman, I bless you. May you never grow old. May you live forever, O Hanuman. And may you always be dear to Raghunath. Oh Hanuman, please tell me, how is my Lord?
वचन कहता माँ सीता हर पल प्रभु को तुम्हारी चिंता अश्रु नयन से झरत निरंतर व्याकुल है श्री राम जननी में राम दूत हनुमान.
After revealing his original form, Hanuman related to Sita Mata all about himself and Sri Ram. Sita Mata blessed him and he left. Hanuman then decided to create some disturbances before leaving the city of Lanka.
Who are you? Why are you stealing fruits from the trees?
Can't you see I'm only a monkey satisfying my hunger?
But do you know the punishment for stealing?
You should go and ask your King Ravan which punishment is more severe. The one for stealing fruits or the one for stealing someone's wife?
The gods reported to Ravan the chaos that was taking place by Hanuman in his garden. Ravan instructed them to bring Hanuman to him. coming towards him, which was shot by one of Ravan's son, Indrajit. It captured Hanuman as a coil around him, and he was then taken to Ravan's court.
What are you doing here? Why did you destroy my garden and kill the gardener? Haven't you heard about me? You do not fear for your life? I am Ravan, the king of Lanka.
O Ravan, I am the messenger of the Supreme Being. O Ravan, I am the messenger of Shri Ram, whose wife you have abducted deceitfully. O Ravan, please return Sita Mata, and he will surely forgive you. It is a great sin to kidnap a woman, O Ravan. If you do not return Sita Mata, you will face the consequences of your actions, O Ravan. O Ravan, you have caused destruction and death to your clan.
You greedy monkey! Kill this monkey at once!
Bhaiya, how can you kill the messenger? Let him return to Sri Ram so that he can deliver your message.
He seems to be a wise monkey, since a monkey tail is dearest to the flame. Tie his tail and set it on fire and let him loose.
Hanuman was pleased with Ravan's decision. He extended his tail to such an extent that the entire stock of oil, ghee and cloth in Lanka were finished. Hanuman's tail was then set on fire. As soon as this happened, he climbed on top of the palace and started jumping from one place to another and thus setting it on fire. The fire spread very quickly, and as soon as this happened, the entire city of Lanka was ablaze. The people of Lanka started running in fear for shelter. Destroyed demons and burnt the entire city of Lanka except Vibhishan's home and the Ashok garden where Sita was present. After burning Lanka, Hanuman jumped into the ocean to extinguish the fire from his steel and then went back to Ashok Vatika to meet Sita once again.
Mata, please, oh Mata, give me something to take back to Sri Ram so that he will know that I have met with you.
Oh Hanuman, please give my Lord his Churamani and please convey this message to him. He would not find me alive if he don't come here within 1 month's time.
Mata, please have patience, oh Mata. Sri Ram is pain with Sugriv and the other monkeys to come and destroy Ravan and the Rakshas. Please have patience, oh Mata. Please have patience.
Hanuman then left, took a giant leap, and flew across the other side of the ocean where Sri Ram, Lakshman, and all the other monkeys were patiently awaiting him. Having arrived, he explained the entire story to them. Everybody was pleased that Sita Mata was saved.
Prabhu, Sita Mata have sent this for you. Oh Prabhu, she's patiently waiting for you.
Oh Hanuman, how can I ever be able to repay you? I am forever indebted to you, Hanuman.
Meanwhile, the noble Vibhishan advises his brother Ravan to give up his wrongdoings and return Sita Mata to her lord.
Bhaiya, looking at another man's wife with lust in your eyes is a great sin. You must return Sita Mata to Sri Ram. He will surely forgive you. He is not an ordinary human being, O Bhaiya.
Vibhishan, how dare you speak to me like this? You live under my roof and praise his enemies?
But Bhaiya, you are like a father to me. You are my older brother.
Get out of here now!
असतहि चरा विभीषण जबहि आयुहीन भय सब तबहि
But Bhaiya, now that you have kicked me out of the palace, I am going to Sri Ram.
चले हर्षि रघुनायक पाहि करत मनोरथ बहुमन माहि करत
Vibhishan left Lanka feeling very sad and turned to Sri Ram seeking his protection.
भरत रहे मन लाय तेरे बदलाजो बिलोकी हम इन्ह नैननी अब जाए इन्ह नैननी अब जाए एहि विधि करत सप्रेम
Ram, Bhaiya, how can you accept him? He is from the enemy side.
Lakshman Bhaiya, anyone who seeks my protection is never turned away from me. Even if the enemy surrenders or begs for mercy, we shall not neglect him. To reject him would be against Dharma. I will even protect that person at the cost of my life. This is my promise, Bhaiya. This is my promise. O Hanuman, without you, we could not have accomplished this. You are my storehouse of strength and knowledge. You are dear to me, O Hanuman. You are dear to me, O Hanuman.
Prabhu, it is only because of your name on my lips I was able to accomplish what I had to do. Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram!
Sri Ram, the compassionate one, never turns away anyone. He crowned Vibhishan, the king of Lanka, after he destroyed Ravan and rescued Sita Mata. This is his promise to all mankind. Whoever seeks his protection will receive his blessings. And never ever forget that Hanuman is the strength and knowledge. By his grace, nothing is impossible. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Hanuman.
Sitaram, this is a presentation of the Brikfi Shiv Mandir Ramila celebration. This celebration was conducted previously from 1970 to 1999 by the late Pandit Dilraj Maharaj and Lalchand Mahabir. The new committee members are the President Sukhdev Raghunanan, the Treasurer and the Coordinator Sylvia Raghunanan, the PRO Rajesh Ramdani, the Secretary Veera Singh Maharaj, the Vice President Sean Singh, the Narrator Devendra Ramdat, and the Pandits Ramcharan Gosain and Videsh Gosain. One of our committee members, Stephanie Philip Ramsamer, and Krishna Lakshman.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर.
To introduce our players, Lord Ram, Suresh Monsami, the Lakshman, Samir Monsami. The Hanuman, Nishad Monsami. Mother Parvati, Shivana Raghunanan, and the Lord Shiva, Ishan Monsami. The Ravan, Brandan Balak. Mother Sita, Shivani Raghunanan, and our Shotnika and Mantra, Veera Singh Maharaj.
विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे
Our birds, Jatayu and Jayant, Milan Ramsur,
मन बसिया,
Labal and Sudri, Ashan and Sachin Ramdas.
गट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज संवारे, लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे, हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा, जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ थे, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाँ थे, तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा, तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना, जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लियो ताहि मधुर फल जानू। का मिल मुख माही, जलधि लांग गए अचरज नाही, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे देते, राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे, सब सुख लें तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना, आपन तेज संहारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपै, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा, संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, इनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमृत जीवन फल पावे, चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। सायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा लक्ष्मण रघुपति के दासा, को जन्म के बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुवर के जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए, और देवता चित्त धरे, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु
Ram, Lakshman and Sita were seated there, telling himself, I will test the might of Sri Ram today. They say he is all pervading. I will check today to see how strong he is. And Jayan, my dear friend, flying through the air, this thunderbird swooping down.
पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी सुमति निवार सुमत के संगी कंचन परन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ थे कभी कोविद कह सके कहाँ थे तुम उपकार सुग्रीव किन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू
releasing shafts of arrows, and Sri Ram knocking them off. Sri Ram shot forth a volley of arrows, and it cut off the head of Ravan. But immediately another head grew in its place, and Ravan roared again and attacked with full force. His staffs in hand, Sri Ram went forth again to deal Ravan. Flying back and forth. Again, they challenge each other. Carefully on slippery ground. And he will surely be destroyed. And as Ravan attacked again, Sri Ram responded. Welcome, Doc. Arrows flying. Ravan tried to shoot Sri Ram, but again he failed.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj,
Taking aim on Ravan now.
Guru Sudhar, Varno Raghuvar Mal Jasu, Jo Daat Phan Jaay, बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमीरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विवेक
Sri Ram released the shaft and it struck Ravan in the navel. Ravan fell with a loud roar.
निवार सुमत के संगी कंचन परम विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंजित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराज कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साज शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान तुम अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा दीन रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति की बहुत बड़ाई तुम के अधर ऐसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल